One of my all-time favorite things to talk about is consultation. The consultation. Consultations are critical when approaching DIY at home. I do not touch hair without knowing where I'm going, what your hair type and texture is, and all the goodies that are gonna be needed to get to that end result. When you're doing a consultation at home, you have to first define where you're at, where you wanna go, and then you'll understand everything you need to get there. First things first is you've got to build a toolkit. It's like mise en place, right? Like when a chef starts to prepare a meal, all the knives come out. Everything gets set up. This is so you can work in order. Some of these things are like a one-time investment. You just purchase once and you always have them. And then some things you'll need to replenish more often. Now, before you go to the store, I want you to understand this, before you go to the store, you have to identify a few things about yourself, such as, what is your hair type? Who are you? Are you straight, wavy, curly, coily, kinky? Who are you in your hair? That's what we need to know, okay? Then your hair texture. What is the hair texture? Is it coarse? Is it fine? If it's fine, it's gonna absorb color really well and maybe get a little bit deeper or darker. We'll get into more of that later. You have to understand what your hair texture is to help with the formulation. And then hair density. This is super, super important because you need to know how much color you're gonna get. I'm saying it for the people on the back. You always need to get another tube of color. Here's what happens so often. You get home, you get to the back and you're like, Houston, we ran out of hair color. Always grab another tube of color. And it's not me trying to sell you hair color, it's so that you have enough product based on your hair type, your hair texture, or your hair density. And if you want to know who you are as a hair type, you can find it all right here. Now, after you've identified all that, what are your hair color needs? AKA hair goals. Maybe we need to cover gray hair. Maybe you want to blend gray hair. Maybe you have gray hair and you just want to zhuzh up the sparkle. Maybe you also go into the salon and get some balayage and foil highlights and you're like, you know what? I can do the roots on my own. You are going to need the right formulas and the right levels with the right pigments to make sure you get that gray coverage that you want. It's going to be so much easier than it sounds, and just stay with me and I know you can nail this. To get in on all the good, make sure you tap here, maybe like here, or subscribe over here. Don't ever miss out.